Captain Glenn Shepherd just teased that Below Deck Sailing Yacht Season 4 is likely right around the corner and will hopefully be premiering soon. Thanks to his positive demeanor, the seasoned skipper has won over fans' hearts. Glenn has been one of the stars of Below Deck Sailing Yacht since the very beginning when he joined as the captain alongside other cast members like Byron Hissey, Paget Berry and Jenna McGillivray. Various Below Deck stars have come and gone, but Glenn has been a constant every single year. According to Below Deck Sailing Yacht's Captain Glenn Shepherd, the spin-off could be back on the small screen sooner than fans realize. Recently, Captain Glenn took to his Instagram for an impromptu video to share some exciting news with his followers. In the social media post, Captain Glenn showed his smile while sporting some sunglasses. The Bravo star shared that he was currently aboard the Parsifal, which had been docked in Spain since Christmas. During his speech, he teased that the Below Deck spin-off will likely be returning to Bravo soon, but he didn't want anyone to quote him on that since he didn't know for sure. But he did note that it will be a great season. Below Deck's Captain Glenn hopes Gary, Daisy Collin return while chatting from the Costa Blanca. Captain Glenn shared that he will soon have 3 months off before he's set to come back for the summer sailing season. The Bravo personality revealed that he's looking to work in the Adriatic Sea near Greece when he returns. Fans rushed to the comment section, with one asking if Gary King, Daisy Kelleher, or Colin McRae will return to Below Deck Sailing Yacht. In a surprising answer, Glenn replied that he hopes the Dream Team will be making an appearance, cryptically writing, "You never know." The flagship Below Deck series is coming up on its finale on March 20th, with a reunion likely to follow, so it would make sense that Below Deck Sailing Yacht should premiere soon after that. Below Deck Sailing Yacht Season 2 premiered in March, while the other 2 seasons began airing in February. Hopefully, the timeline matches up for Sailing Yacht Season 4, as Captain Glenn made sure to hint at possible drama. Below Deck Sailing Yacht Season 2 showed Chief Stew Daisy getting close to Playboy Gary. While the two have claimed they are only really good friends, there was hope that a boatmance would occur. Unlike the other Below Deck series, Bravo cameras follow the drama on the smaller vessel where crew and guests are confined to much smaller quarters. Naturally, there will still be some gracious guests and some that channel their inner Erica Rose. Bravo has yet to announce a release date for Below Deck Sailing Yacht Season 4 but did confirm at BravoCon that new episodes will be airing in 2023. Source: Glenn Shepherd, Instagram.